Hey guys, how's it going? Good morning. We're at a new spot. I will show you real quick. It's a place near this weird school bus parking lot or whatever it is. Hey, what's up, dude? There we go. No smoking in this area. Hey guys. So Dave, what's the story with this place?
Fire, and we're getting rid of it.
All right. Good morning, Dan.
Good morning.
They already took pretty much everything out of here. They're just getting the scrap and all these things out. Oh. Damn.
Alright guys.
What's up?
What's it called? The gloves are here. Dust masks, do you still have them, John? There was a bunch of them. The whole box.
All right. Cool. There's your overview. We're gonna get to getting. Damn.
So basically what we have to do right now, we're going to take out all the insulation and stuff and put it in the dumpster. And we've already took a bunch of loads of metal, but...
Yeah, I wasn't here for that. I was at the flea market selling stuff while they were doing this. But anyway, all right, let me put you guys away and help them. Brought my stabilizer out today because all the previous footage was just too shaky and the camera casing was making noise. So hopefully this is nice now. But anyway, all right. All right, guys, so just an update. This is about, I don't know, about an hour and a half later. So most of that wasn't there. This is some this crap and stuff that we're holding on to. There's Dave.
All right, so far this is our scrap pile, but it's not, there's a lot of good wire coming out.
All right. So when we came in, you guys saw like all this was all wall with insulation behind it. This was all walled up. Dan's ripping out the wire. Let's see. Yeah, that thing's way heavy. We unscrewed it, but I think we're gonna need some more muscular men. Ooh.
Nice thick pieces.
Those fuses are pretty cool too.
See, it's got a...
Oh yeah. Nice copper stash.
Let's see. It should come up like this. There's about
Nice.
80 feet of that. Actually, if there's 3 all the way down, it goes the 100 foot the length of the building.
Oh, no way. That's awesome. All right. That was your update. We'll show you a little bit later. maybe in about an hour or so.
Again. So we're not going to be able to pull the metal or pull the wire through that bend, probably, or.
I'll tell them afterwards.
Because look, see it goes all the way through here?
Yeah.
If we cut there and then we can pull that wire all the way out, and then we don't have to take that metal pipe down if you don't want.
I don't want to take it off.
What?
I don't want to take it off.
Okay. Well, here, look. You go right there.
Then just cut all that up.
Don't pull it down on me. 1 second.
Yeah. Nice catch. He had no choice.
3D action.
Boom! You know, I could film this in 3D. I just need 2 cameras. Or one of those 360 cameras. Alright. Alright, they're gonna keep cutting that. I don't think you want to watch an hour of people cutting pipes. Alright, we're about 2 hours later.
Yeah, there's some nasty guys. You need both.
Nice. Extreme close-up. All right.
You have those other clippers?
So that side's pretty much gutted. Working on this. All right. Some scrap there. All right. This is the reason this burned down. Ah, man. So what's going on with this metal?
So right now we're almost at the end. Me and Dan are gonna split the wire because he crawled up there and got it. I chose, or I let him choose. I got this with all that heavy, thick.
Nice copper.
Yeah, it's all good number 1. He got this.
Ugh.
That huge roll.
Damn.
And there's some wire in there.
Is the roll copper too?
No, it's all wire. It's all 220.
Okay.
So I'm gonna throw that. You want me to put all this in your truck, Dan? The wire? Or do you want to put the mowers and then put the wire on top?
Wire at the bottom.
Okay.
It's gonna be a pain in the ass.
Alright.
Alright.
We got this cool aluminum bleacher seating. And we got one big other piece of aluminum that we'll try to go grab. We gotta go quick.
Alright. Hustle, Dan, hustle. Alright.
Well, I should put it all up here, Dan.
Alright.
And you can solve all it.
Yeah, so there you go. All this, all this, all the mowers. Show you some of this. So if you remember from the beginning, ripped all the walls out, took all the insulation out, swept it all up. I guess we're gonna come back for that. Still need to pick all this up, all that trash. That racking was up there against the wall. If you want to see the difference, maybe I'll cut in the before and after in the end here, so you don't have to watch the beginning and then the ending. But yeah, there you go. Whoop. Alright. Alright, that's it. That's how you make money and get exercise. Alright, I don't know what Dave's up to, but we're gonna film it. What are you doing? Oh.
Our last piece of scrap.
Oh my god.
It's aluminum poles.
Jeez.
These poles all ran out of battery.
Oh. Good God. That
Gonna
might,
happen.
yeah. We need something circular with cutting power.
I figured the saw blade was pretty strong. Very next. I think we can fit that on Dan's truck. Trailer.
Dude, we should have done this earlier when we had more energy.
I was fine.
Nah, hold on. I can't, man.
We'll have to do it with Dan.
Alright. I can help you guys be in the middle. You're not exactly light. You gotta know when to fold them.
Ah, grab those arms.
Alright. So most of these mowers and everything works. We even pulled out like 20 cans of gasoline out of this thing that was on fire. That's awesome. Well, more profit. Woohoo. Oh yeah, here are the gas cans. Half of them were full. Lawnmower works.
Got those big yellow cabins still.
Right. Big yellow cabin. Go on here. Go to your thing. Your delivery one.
Stands.
We don't have a full trailer load tomorrow if we empty right now.
You can fill that definitely with just a. Yeah. I mean, come back another time.
I don't want to film their conversation. Yeah, this is the end for today. Me and Dan are gonna come back tomorrow to finish up cleaning out inside. There's music playing inside. Gonna stop talking so I can turn off the music. Ooh, Metallica. Nice. And we also filled that up too, so not like all the way, but pretty much like, you know, like that. So man, this is what a man looks like after working all day. Look at that. all right, let's not take the pants off. All right, well, there you go. This is for the ladies. All right, enough of that. We got to get to the scrapyard to dump all that off. So
Crap that we had on Dan's truck, we're gonna go unload the truck and trailer at the scrapyard. This one's like a hidden one, but it's over where we were. You would have never known that it was it. Look, there's no sign.
yeah.
Anything.
Oh, nice.
So everything that's on the trailer we're going to take off, except for the aluminum, of course.
Oh wow, this is like a super tiny scrapyard.
Yep.
It's almost adorable.
They're expanding.
They didn't get the, Dan's weight, so he had to go again.
Well, they waved them, but she didn't mark it down.
Yeah, they didn't do it right. Well, whatever. Oh yeah, nice.
Actually, looks like shit.
Someone could love it. Restore it. I'm glad I did.
So this is what Dan's doing. He's cutting out all the wire before giving it to the scrapyard. In these, there's silver relays sometimes. That's all copper too if you break it off, but I don't know. His pile of wire is getting big. Another use of a hammer. I'm gonna keep this, Nez. John Deere. Alright, I'll let you guys watch the guy with no pants. The no pants scrapper! Ah! Honestly, the main reason he has no pants, it's the first 80-degree day, and it was cold when we woke up. Alright, we'll put the things back on.
He's wearing pants. It's not like he's in his underwear. Well. Looks like this pin's not here. It's the way scrapping go. Uh-oh. What's this? What's this? Water. Woohoo!
Any guesses? There's the crap we threw off.
Right there next to that blue thing on the right.
I know they pay, I don't know, 3/10 of a cent or 5/10 of a cent less than the yard we normally go to.
Yeah, that's almost not even.
But I'm still gonna say we had $114, Naz.
Cool,
since
for you.
I'm guessing first. $114. What's your guess?
114. Let's see. There was some heavy things on there. I'm gonna say it's less than that. I would say $75.
Oh, that would be sad.
It would. But I have a feeling it will be somewhere between yours and my guess.
No, it's gonna be 114.
Alright.
You lost.
Alrighty.
Dan, what's your guess?
Huh?
What's your guess?
What?
How much?
I don't know yet.
I know, but what's your guess? We're guessing. Come over here and guess.
130, 140.
Damn!
No, I'm $114. You could either take 130 or 140. Which one?
Alright, then 120.
Oh,
I'm thinking, yeah, I'm still sticking to my 75. It wasn't that heavy. I'm sure I'm wrong, but I'm gonna hold on to my guns.
so that's all light iron that they're dumping in.
That dude looks familiar. Wonder why. What is it?
100 even.
Wow.
We
Well,
didn't have that much.
So your guess was 120. His guess was, I forget. Mine was 75. So I lowballed it. Yeah, that guy lost something and uh-oh.
What did you lose? Nah, what? It wasn't the guy next to us. What was it?
100 even.
So
I told you.
Naz wins. He didn't go over.
Well, no. I mean, I said it's gonna be between our guesses, so it is. Oh well. There you go.
Well, that's what I owe you for scrap.
Thank you.
Dave wins money.
I get $100.
Nice.
All right, let's go. All right, so we're on take 3 of the Sol, or we're gonna try Sawzall on it with this little teeny ass Sawzall blade. We'll see what happens. I hope it's worth it. Keep the Sawzall all the way against the... Yes. So, he ate through a blade, but that blade could have been already bad. So, take 4. He's fixing it right now. We'll see what happens. He made a hole. You know, it's not that much. It's only about 6 inches for a first blade. We only have 2 or 3 blades, so we'll see what happens. Fuck. What? Or it's solo rated. Well, I guess we're on take 5. The saw must have overheated, but we'll see what happens. We'll get back to you as soon as we fix it. So we got this one, and this is full of dirt. So he's gonna try to cut this right now, and we can get the heck out of here. No, okay, 7. Whatever. Dan versus aluminum. Hence the perfect form of the butt rest against the fence, and how fast it cuts when you have the proper placement of the bung. And luckily this one's not as loud. Sorry about the squealing. So for these 4 poles, or for now they're 4 poles, but the 2 poles, everybody's gonna have to make a big guess. Maybe we'll have Naz give some type of prize. But I don't see. He's doing my job. I'm playing Naz cameraman. Ants, ants, ants. He made him angry. It's hot again today, so yeah, we're all in short sleeves. Dan's not in his underpants. The underpants scrapper is not here today, though. But see the perfect form here of the leaning of the fence and. John's older than me.
Yeah.
By 1 year.
All right, so I told him, you guys are good.
We can come back?
Come back and grab the rest of the food.
All right. Oh, you did go get the...
No.
Yep.
Why mess around?
Yep. It's all good. I'm glad that
So
they're happy. I'm glad everybody's happy and...
You're good?
Yep. Yeah, the ants aren't that bad. Luckily, we don't have fire ants up here. They're just the little black ants. See them all?
And we're almost through.
There goes Dan to finish. Of course, we're gonna have take 9 in a second because he's up. Done. All right, you guys. Hillbilly measured, and of course, it's too long for the trailer. So Dan's saying we're gonna put it up there. We'll see what happens. Here we go. Keep on going.
Push.
Yeah, good luck. It only weighs about 200 pounds. So if that weighs 200 pounds and we get 50 cents a pound, now you guys can make your guess. Maybe we should wait on the next video and let everybody have their guess, and then Naz could tell with the receipt who guessed right. All right, let's see. Now, if that one was the light one, I guess we should pick up this one next, no?
Well, we need both long ones.
No, because how are we going to put the heavy ones through the long ones?
They're going to go on top. Well,
We could put them on the ground. Oh, this isn't as bad. This one's light compared to that one. It's kind of funny. We thought we were of course, Dan kept our bleachers. All right, ready? Watch your toes. On the strap, okay? Did you see the foot pickup, by the way? I don't know if anybody caught that. He is part monkey. Little bonuses for everybody's guess. What we could do is, my thought is, one of the pickups from the warehouse, like the toys or something like that, whoever guesses the right amount in weight, or actually no, we're gonna do dollars because we always do dollars. They can get something that they've seen on one of the videos. Naz will do a quick view and they can say they want that and we'll ship it out to you for free. Thanks for watching. Swing. Acrobat.
That's it.
What? Yeah, they said everything on the back here, scrap wise. All right, whoever guessed 0 wins, because we were told to put the poles back because the supervisor wanted to scrap them, even though it's maybe a federal offense if he does. So if anybody sees them over there, oh well. He got upset. He was like, "Oh, we need those poles." I was like, "Okay." We put them back. He didn't really need them. They were broken on the bottom.
They were broken, and now they're cut.
Well, now they're a lot harder to use. All right, but the nice mechanic, he loaded on our this rake instead where the poles were. So, wah, wah, wah. Yeah, you don't always win when it comes to scrapping. But what was it? So we're at 9 attempts, right, Dan? And if we keep them happy and we come back and clean up everything else, the chances of us getting those poles are pretty good. So it's not a big deal. They were just, it was sad
because we're 5 minutes from leaving.
Yeah, not that he was upset or anything. It was just he wanted, you could tell he wanted the aluminum.
Yep.
But hopefully he gets caught on camera. Oh wait, go over there. All right, bye. So after we failed with the telephone poles, this is a computer deal that I gotta finish moving. I picked it up about months ago. I don't remember how many there are, so hopefully they all fit. Looks like a lot.
Yeah, looks it.
But one of the best deals, it's free. So,
Oh yeah, that works.
let's see what's up.
They wanted oral sex with me.
I know.
That's why I'm crank.
Is that on video? Right now. Pretty good.
Yeah, it's cold.
Internet gold.
There you go, kids. Dave's score of the day.
It's my score because it's going to my house.
I'm on his trailer.
Oh, okay. Are you unloading this by yourself?
Hell yeah.
Damn, alright. It's a workout.
Hopefully not.
Well, there's always Britt.
Yep.
Oh man.
Britt, if you're watching, I'm sorry.
He kids because he loves. Alright. I think
Alright, now just jump over here and start hand meal.
think you guys have seen enough of loading computers. It's pretty much repetitive.
Yep.
Alright, so update. I fell off the trailer. Landed it nicely though. Loaded up all these onto Dan's truck. Going through the rest.
Those are the ceramic thingamajigger.
Oh, there's, I found a good one.
Did you find the thingamajigger?
No, it's good, because that phone's good too.
Oh, nice, yeah.
But no, he found a bunch of
Yeah, but
CPUs,
that nice.
ceramics.
I see
This,
UP.
we got 2 boxes of walkie-talkies. And Dan, you can see that computer right there that's going on the truck.
Aluminium. Why don't you tell him how you really feel, Dan?
The best part are
Took the hooks off because Dave got impaled.
that's not sharp. All right, let's get out of here.
All right, skedoodle.
Dan, manana.
Alright.
I'll see you
See you
at some point.
tomorrow or wherever.
Yeah, I have no idea.
I don't know, maybe Dave should.
Thank you, Dan.
Yeah, I noticed.
We did okay. We got a bunch of wire, and you can see the computer stack on Dan's truck. See it?
Yeah.
It's like, I don't know, 20 towers. Better than nothing.
Yeah.
No aluminum poles, though.
I can't wait to watch that footage.
Oh well. See everybody later. We're all dirty. Had fun though. It was a good day.
It was full of adventure. Alright guys, so that's it. We're over at Dave's house. Just gonna unload all this. And that's it for today. It was quite a day. So yeah, thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next one.
He just came walking over. He's like, "Who told you?" No one said anything. They said take all the metal that was there from there to the fence. He's like, "Well, our scrapper ain't taking big stuff." And I said, "I know he's not taking big stuff. That's why I said I would take all the stuff. You win some, you lose some." Well, this has been stuck there for years. It looks like the vine's growing in it.
You can have that too.